Look, I get it. You're looking for as many reviews and information on HighLevel as possible before making the move. And in here, I will give you exactly that. I will share with you my experience of working with HighLevel for the last 7 years. I will share all of the cons and pros of HighLevel and how I use this platform to build multiples of 7-figure businesses on it. And I will share why I still choose to stay with HighLevel after all of this time. My name is Bunin. I'm co-founder of Pareto Talent, where we find, place, and train executive assistants for business owners. And I'm also co-founder of Architects.com, where we build out sub-accounts, automations, SaaSes inside of the HighLevel for entrepreneurs. And I use HighLevel from multiple of different directions. So in Architects, I use it to build stuff for clients, to build stuff like agencies for clients, sub-accounts, snapshots, things like that. And in Pareto Talent, I'm using it for myself as a heavy user. So I see all of the different perspectives. I don't believe in HighLevel as being like SaaS only platform that you just resell. No, like we've been using HighLevel for all of our businesses. As a matter of fact, right now I'm co-founder in like 5 different businesses and all of them use HighLevel. There is a lot of reasons for that and I will try to cover them in this video. So if you don't know what HighLevel is all-in-one marketing platform, I guess. Right now, it started as all-in-one like marketing platform, but right now it can do so much more than just marketing. HighLevel can do contracts, invoices, you can build landing pages, you can build blogs, you can build so much stuff in there. And here is the truth. Here is the thing that I think you need to consider whenever you are thinking about HighLevel. I don't know about any other single platform that can do so much as HighLevel can do. And we are not even talking about the prices. So if we disregard the price and just think about any other platform that can do as much, like maybe HubSpot, maybe Salesforce, but in my opinion, they cannot do as much as HighLevel can, because HighLevel constantly innovates. Right now, HighLevel is like $2 billion company and they have like 2,000 developers working on this platform like on an ongoing basis. They implement features every day. So this is the other thing that differentiates HighLevel from everyone else. You are not waiting like for a big release or something like that with HighLevel. HighLevel does releases every single day, so you just try to keep up with how much fixes they do. And HighLevel is the only platform that I know where you can submit a request for a feature change or submit and ask the development team to fix something or build something for you, and they will actually go ahead and do that. HighLevel has a platform where you can submit your ideas, and if your ideas get enough votes, they get implemented, as easy as that. That's all it is. And HighLevel community is the biggest one right now in the industry, where you have tens of thousands of people sharing ideas and collaborating and helping each other. And again, HighLevel is the only platform I know of where I can meet all of the founders and tell them my feedback and get a constructive review from their side on how they are looking to implement that. This is insane, if you ask me. And this is a $1 billion company right now. Back then it wasn't, but right now it is. So how you as a business owner can use HighLevel? You basically can implement majority of your tech. So looking back when I was a CTO of Solid.com, when I just got introduced to HighLevel in 2018, we were able to utilize HighLevel to replace Calendly. So Calendly, if you don't know, it's a platform that allows you to schedule meetings. And back then, Calendly was pushing all of the core features to a paid plan. So they decided that if you want to send somebody to a thank you page once they book with you, now it's a paid feature. And that alone forced a lot of users to transition to paid Calendly, because you need to have thank you pages in order for you to be able to properly track conversions, right? So that's one feature that HighLevel replaces immediately. And HighLevel not only allows you to build the same kind of pages as Calendly does for the booking, but it can do much more than that. It can do full CSS and JavaScript customization of your form, so you can make it look like anything you want, which looks much more professional in my opinion than Calendly. Next thing that we replaced with the HighLevel was ClickFunnels and any funnel builders. So HighLevel allows you to build landing pages and funnels super easily. If you are looking into like what ClickFunnels used to be doing, they were basically just giving you like some email automation and like some templates for the funnels, and that's pretty much it. HighLevel, because it's all in one platform, it can do so much more. It allows you to build all of the forms, all of the service, checkouts, chats, everything in one sync, and that integrates smoothly and seamlessly in your funnel. So that allows you to ship funnels and ship offers much faster. Because right now, like whenever you're building something, you don't need like 10 different softwares to do that. You just do it within one software and that's it. For example, without talking way too much, here is a funnel that I just built for Pareto Talent. As you can see in here, I have 3 different stages like home, then schedule, and a thank you. So in here here we basically do survey, and then we do a schedule and so on. Here's how it all looks. So first of all, I can do the A/B test between 2 different landing pages and see which one I prefer more based on the page views and opt-ins, and I literally just launched it, so it's empty. So in here you can see I am able to build pages like that in a matter of like minutes, basically, because I already have templates, I already have other pages that I can just duplicate. So if I want, I can clone this step and put it in a different funnel, or I can go ahead and create a new step completely and build a new page in here, or I can move back and create a new funnel and just use a template for that. And then it will smoothly connect to my funnels, to my forms, to my surveys, to all of the automations that I got, and I can just go ahead and press launch basically and have it live. So that's how cool it is. That's what you can do with that. And as you can see in here, I have my survey, right? So whenever somebody submits the survey, they will be automatically added to the HighLevel immediately once they submit that, allowing me to capture all of the leads. And then once they submit that, they will be redirected to a scheduling page. So in here, if I open that, you will see that I have a quick little page that allows me to offer different times for people to book their slots, ask different customized questions that I want, and so on. And overall, it's like beautiful looking pages. So that sync alone, that feature of building pages, building funnels, and integrating it with forms, with surveys, with bookings, that already by itself costs like $97 per month, as for me, if you ask me. If you pair this with all of the automations, with all of the AI, with all of the pipeline tracking, with all of the social media scheduling, and all the other features that HighLevel has, is just insane. The value is definitely there. Okay, now let's cover some of the cons of HighLevel that you might see. So number one, and it's connected directly with the pros of HighLevel, is that HighLevel UI can be complicated because it's so much. The menu items, the robustness of HighLevel basically forces it to have UI challenges that other softwares don't have, because of how many features, how many things you need to coordinate. Because, for example, trigger links, right? Some would assume that they should live under automations, but the other people use them for marketing, so they put them in the marketing tabs. And like this dissonance can like lead you to misunderstanding on what menu items are and how they work. So for example, if I jump in here, you will see that under the sites, the menu item is called sites, but what it opens actually funnels. But if you want websites, which is sites, then you need to click right here. But websites are not as popular in HighLevel than funnels. Majority of people use funnels for their like day-to-day needs, for marketing offers and things like that. So like you will see that even though I have a ton of funnels, I don't have any websites. But then they also have stores, which again, not as many people use right now. As you can see, I don't even have any links in here. So it's kind of like can be frustrating to some people that they see options that they don't need. I think HighLevel will be fixing that. They will be customizing this experience for individual users, but again, it allows for a lot of different things. Another thing about the HighLevel that can be kind of challenging for some people is that they don't even know that they use HighLevel. So hear me out. HighLevel is a white label platform, right? So you can get a white label version of HighLevel, which costs like $497 a month. You can get it for $297 if you don't need SaaS functionality. Majority of them are $497. And then you can customize the menu items. So you will see that even the one I'm in right now, it's not like HighLevel. It's a HighLevel for Nido marketing, for our other business, or right now it's called Montessori Thrive. So the logo is different, the menu items are different, so you can customize this. And for some people, it might be like frustrating to some degree where they don't understand why it looks different. So they might not even know that they use HighLevel because there is a lot of premium SaaSes on HighLevel that fully white label and that don't want you to know that it's HighLevel. So this all like marketing can be like a little bit sketchy to some people, but whatever version of HighLevel you get, almost whatever version you get, you will have pretty much the same feature. Here is the challenge with all of this white labeling. Because you can buy it from somebody else, they can basically choose to withhold some of the features from HighLevel. So if you buy it for like $47 or $97 from somebody else, they might give you different things that the core of HighLevel is. Because if you go to official HighLevel website, to GoHighLevel.com, and get a $97 license, and you can do it using my link below and get a 14 days free trial. If you do that, you will get access to like all of the HighLevel features. You will get access to like bare bones HighLevel, which you will need to customize yourself. Some of the SaaSes on HighLevel choose to sell you already prepared snapshots, or call them like templates of accounts, where they basically have templates for a couple of different automations, couple of different funnels, couple of different, I don't know, something. And then they sell it to you at a markup. And basically the way it works is that you pay them and they pay HighLevel, and then they keep the portion of the money, the margin basically. And I heard before some people being frustrated on HighLevel because they used somebody else white label and they didn't receive all of the features, or they didn't get the support that they were promising, and now they're angry on HighLevel, even though HighLevel haven't done anything wrong, right? So that's where some of this confusion can come from, is this like business model. This business model allowed HighLevel to grow and allowed HighLevel to offer something that none other SaaS product can. Is basically like your SaaS in a box that you can fully customize for your niche. You want a like agency for roofers, you want a software for roofers, like here we go. You want it for dentists, like here we go as well, right? So you can have a fully custom software that you can resell as like an agent and offer it to your clients within your agency, and that way you can hook them up. And this is like one of the reasons why we use HighLevel for Solutions 8, is that we were doing marketing like Google ads, Facebook ads, and so on. And a lot of clients didn't have like landing pages, didn't have a proper CRM that we need for proper tracking. So that's why if somebody in lead gen, in service-based industry come to us and without tracking, without CRMs and stuff like that, we would recommend them to like go to HighLevel, and we would put them under our SaaS for free because they're a client of the agency. And then we would set this up for them. So that's how a lot of agencies use HighLevel and then hook up their clients on using HighLevel as well. And 98% of clients that use HighLevel with us, they were like super satisfied with everything that they got, especially again for the price. If somebody spent like $97 a month, this again, the value is just insane. So let me try to sum it up all together. So HighLevel is still like the best platform for any like small businesses or somebody who's completely new to business looking to start, or to agencies. Like it's a make it or break it kind of platform that allows you to do like amazing things, allows you to launch quick offers, allows you to build businesses from scratch. I mentioned that I will share like some more info. So here is, for example, Pareto Talent. Here is my HighLevel account that I'm using for my own business. And this business like is fully on HighLevel. And here I have fully custom dashboards that you can see, and this is again, all of this is live. So all of this is our current numbers that we are doing in HighLevel, where we have all of the opportunities, all of the clients coming in, and all of the funnels, all of the marketing is right here in the HighLevel. So as you can see, we're using HighLevel for ourselves, for our own company. And whenever somebody mentions to me that like HighLevel is a scammy platform, like, okay, but I built like a multiple of 7-figure agencies on HighLevel, so I'm not sure what exactly they are talking about. The problem is not the software. The problem is like how you use software, or who uses it for you and resells it to you as something else. So you need to differentiate these two things. It's like the same as like with the phone, with an iPhone or something else, right? You cannot blame the tool itself. It just depends on how you will use it. So if you're considering switching to the HighLevel, jump in, try it. Try it for 14 days with my link and see what you think about that. If you will use my link, you can reach out to me directly for like 15-minute call. I will jump on a call with you and show you how you can use it for your business, because of how committed I am to this platform. I've been using it for so long, and I plan to use it for even longer. So that's why I'm really want you to try this as well and see how it can shape your business in a different direction, where you have all of your tech consolidated in one place and you can run it like from one command center basically, rather than trying to have all of these different softwares together, overpaying for subscriptions and figuring out where is the access to like Typeform and Calendly, and then you need a MailChimp, and then you need something else as well, and you need to piece it together, and then you need Zapier to like push lead from here to here and so on. Because I've been there, I've done all of that, and HighLevel allows me not to have to do it anymore because everything is just in one platform. That's super easy, super convenient. I have lead magnet right here. Whenever somebody submits it, it directly goes, sends them an email, sends them SMS, then puts them in my pipeline. Then my sales guy can call them directly from the HighLevel and resend them to my landing page. And on my landing page, they can book a time with me, like all in one platform. That's just insane, if you ask me. So try that. Let me know what you think, and let me know what other questions you might have in the comments below, and I will be happy to answer all of them in order to ensure that you have the like clear picture before making this move to HighLevel. And thank you so much for watching that. If you want more content on HighLevel, subscribe to my channel as I submit content on how to build landing pages, automations, and other stuff on HighLevel right here. And majority of my content is based on that because I'm using HighLevel day to day. So thank you so much for watching, and have a great rest of your day. Bye.